Salut my friends all around the world, it's your brother Abraham from Germany. Today I came out with a video in English. I dedicate it to my big brother George Floyd, RIP big brother. May rest your soul in peace, and we will fight for you. We will continue to fight against racism, against hatred, against violence from governments. So I want to rap something for you. I hope you will enjoy it, and for all my friends all around the world, have a nice Saturday, have a nice weekend. It's your brother Abraham, Black Power, till the day I die. Malcolm X, you see it here. Rubbing on my chain, blowing cloud medic. Smoke something with a G and bend it as backwards. Lay back, relax and talk mathematics. Later on we test a little sex practice. Write my name on the wall, money in the mess, special wanna get involved. Sharp on the blunt, say what the fuck are you? I tell her pass back, if the shit too strong, it's all set. Mozart art on the block so wet. I got her where I wanna and I ain't done yet. Looking at the future, baby, put down the cigarette. Come hop on this cush jet and take flight yet. Tell them bitches fuck that. With LED and got a magic carpet for that ass. Yes, I'm also got two Austins on me, big homie, young Taka, rolling Rolls Royce so short there. Band Frank Betty's in the band's wagon. You know life lavish, lifestyle like this gon' need magnums. Pass baby, welcome to rich class baby. You all Maybelline with your new Celine. All the masks on lean, cars on sheen. White girl but black girl get the flat thing. It's very far, they ain't on the sea level. What the ass don't cry, inhale but breathe regular. My baby on it, I have to crack of done it. Body shape figure 8 like Picasso draw ya. Oh yes I'm winning, blinking in, ring blinging like for no reason. Let's get closer, close in. Remove your close friends, we don't get choked. Smoking OG Oakland, shut up Oakland. I dedicate it to my big brother George Floyd. May your soul rest in peace. You didn't die in vain. All black people stand up for our big brother. He was a huge nigga and he fought for the right thing. He did a lot of good work in his community. He talked about God, about gang violence to stop it, and that's for me the reason why the government had to kill him, because he was a strong person and they know it, they know him very well. So let's come closer together, all black community in the world and all white people who want to support us, who are on the side of justice, of equality. You are welcome. Let's fight together for a better world, and I hope we can continue to fight for Malcolm X and Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, Patrice Lumumba. All these people fought already for this aims, for these goals we have nowadays, and let's remember those people. Take their books, take their knowledge.
Have you made a lot of money out of your music?
Money? I mean, how much is a lot of money to you?
Yeah, that's a good question. Have you made, say, millions of dollars?
No.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
Do you have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, forever.
Let's remember these people. Like I told you, Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela. Remember their actions, read their books, and bring them back to the map for the youth from today. They have to learn about these people to understand the situation from today and to grow in their fight and to do the right movements and the right steps to come further and forward. We black people have the right, to stand up and to live free in this big white world. The white people came before 500 years, almost 500 years, and took the black people out from Africa as slaves and brought them in boats to the USA and later to other countries, and they worked there as slaves. And now they killed them. They took them from their ground and brought them here abroad to work for them, and later they killed them, they oppressed them. Have a nice weekend, listen to these voices of the old legends, and let's fight together, black and white, for a better world. Have a nice weekend. Your big brother George Floyd is watching us.
This world is such a, and when I say this world, I mean it. I don't mean in an ideal sense. I mean in every day, every little thing you do. It's such a, gimme, gimme, gimme. Everybody back off. You know, everybody's like, you taught that from school, everywhere. Big business, you want to be successful, you want to be like Trump, gimme, 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 push, 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 step, 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 crush, crush, crush. That's how it all is. And it's like, nobody ever stopped. Just, you know, I feel like, instead of us just being like, slavery's bad, slavery's down, bad whitey, bad whitey. I mean, all right, let's stop that. And everybody's smart enough to know that, I mean, we've been slighted. And we want ours. And I don't mean by like ours, 40 acres and a mule, because we're past that. But we need help. I mean, for us to be on our own 2 feet, us meaning youth or us meaning black people, whatever you want to take it for us to be on our own 2 feet, we do need help. Because we have been here. We have been a good friend. If you want to make it a relationship type thing, we have been there, and now we deserve our payback. It's like you got a friend that you don't never look out for. You know, you dressed up in jewels. Now America's got jewels, and they paid and everything, and they lending money to everybody except us. And it's like, you know, everybody need a little help on their way to being, you know, self-reliant. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole thing about the album, about the Special Olympics. Everybody need a little something and they to be independent. No independent person just grew up and was born independent. You worked and you learned teamwork and you learned cooperation and unity and struggle, and then you became independent. And we have to teach that and instill that. And why is it that they want to do that? I mean, if this is truly a melting pot in the country where we care about it, and Lady Liberty got a hand like this, she really loves us, then we really need to be like that. And it needs to be the black kids. If there's a white person who got money, then he need to help them. He need to help black kids, Mexican kids, Korean kids, whatever. But it need to be real. And it need to be before we all die, and then you say, oh, I made a mistake. We should have gave them some money. We really should have helped these folks. It's going to be too late. You know what I'm saying? And then that's when you got to pay your own karma. And that's when God make you punish. When God punishes you. Because I feel like, you know, it's too much money here. I mean, nobody should be hitting lotto for 36 million and we got people starving in the streets. That is not idealistic. That's just real. That is just stupid. There's no way Michael Jackson should have, or whoever Jackson, should have $1 million, $1 billion, and then there's people starving. There's no way. There's no way that these people should own planes and their people don't have houses, apartments, shacks, drawers, pants.
We say to people that say, well, they earned it. Now you go out and you're earning it.
If they earned it, then I think that that's good, and I think that they deserve it. But even if you earned it, you still owe. Because look at me, I don't have that mega money, but I feel guilty walking by somebody. I got to give them some mail. And if I know I got $3,000 in my pocket, I feel like it's wrong to give that person a quarter or $1. It's wrong. Only you know what you got in your pocket. And that's wrong. No matter what they do, if they take it and drink it, they take it and drink it. But, I mean, you got. You understand? And we all know how hard it is, and it's not about if you good or you bad. So since it's not about if you good or you bad, we know that because he don't got don't mean he was bad. Or don't mean he's a criminal, or don't mean he's crazy, or a drug addict, or none of that. It just means he don't got. And ain't it bad that you got 30? I mean, can you imagine somebody having $32 million? $32 million. And this person has nothing, and you can sleep. You can still go to the movies about, I mean, and then these are the type of people that get humanitarian awards. Millionaires. How can they be humanitarians? By the fact that they millionaires and there's so many poor people shows how unhumane they are. You know what I'm saying? And that bugs me. Not saying that when I'm never going to be rich, and you know what I'm saying? But I'm saying it's a struggle, and I think everybody deserves. And I think there's a way to pay these people. I think there is a way. It just takes to be revolutionary. And it takes to do something out of the ordinary. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think that if we just said, okay, I got an idea. No more porno buildings. You know what I'm saying? Let's build houses. Or no more polo games. Let's build houses for poor people. You know what I'm saying? Or, look, okay, I know you're rich. I know you got $40 billion. But can you just keep it to one house? You only need one house. And if you only got 2 kids, can you just keep it to 2 rooms? I mean, why have 52 rooms and you know there's somebody with no room? It just don't make sense to me. It don't. And then these people celebrate Christmas. They got big trees, huge trees, all the little trimmings. Everybody got gifts, and then somebody's starving. And they're having a white Christmas. They're having a great Christmas, eggnog and the whole nine. That's not fair to me.